Now that you've finished problems 1 through 8, let's stop for a minute and talk about number 9. The first thing it asks you to do is graph y equals 1/4 x. Well, we know we have a point at 0, 0, and that our slope is 1/4. That means we can go up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4, or we can go back to 0, 0, go down 1 and to the left 4, down 1 to the left 4. You don't have to have that many points to graph the line. And there we have our line, y equals 1/4 x. Now it's asking us to translate that line 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So if I start at my 0, 0 point and go 2 units to the right and 3 units up, and then I go to this point, 2 units to the right, 3 units up. And if I go to this point, 2 units to the right, 3 units up. And I draw that line. Now it's asking us to write the equation of the line in this form. Well, when the line is in this translated form, the h is the shift left or right, the k is the shift up or down. So we know that our slope has not changed, so that's still 1/4. And then we have x minus 2 because we went to the right 2 units, plus 3 because we went up 3 units. Now, if we had gone to the left, this would be x plus 2, and if we'd gone down, this would have been a minus 3. So let's talk about this translated form of the equation for a minute. Here's what it looks like. Now, you and your students may be more familiar with point-slope form. Well, here's point-slope form of the equation of a line. If I take this minus y1 and I move it over here, then that's going to be plus y sub 1. Then this side is simply y equals m. And then we have the x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. Well, look at this equation and look at this equation. They're very similar. The only difference is this one has an x sub 1 where the h is, and this one has y sub 1 where the k is. We want to use h and k because we're going to use that in all of our translated forms of equations regardless of the function. Could be quadratic, could be cubic, could be absolute value, could be square root, could be any of our functions. And then our students learn what h and k do, and it does the same thing regardless of the type of function. And we need them to understand that with linear functions so they can apply it with all their functions. Now continue working and finish this lesson, and then you will upload your assigned problems to the Google Sheets in Canvas.